Many businesses rely on legacy applications, which may suffer from compatibility issues, maintenance challenges, and, frankly, inefficiency over time. Containerizing older applications with Docker is a pretty good way to modernize legacy systems, improve portability, and simplify deployment. This also helps you secure the app and overcome its vulnerabilities. However, keep in mind that not all old applications are worth containerizing. Before you start, analyze the application you want to containerize. That means listing all the libraries, frameworks, and services the application relies on. You should also note the specific OS version, configurations, and any custom setups. Finally, you have to clarify what you aim to achieve by containerizing, e.g., portability, easier updates, etc. As I've mentioned above, not all applications can be containerized efficiently. For instance, if the app has certain dependencies on older processes that are no longer available, you won't be able to achieve this. Also, keep in mind that containers are usually made to run single processes, so it will be really difficult to containerize applications that rely on multiple processes or coupled services. Keep in mind that the structure above is dedicated to simple build processes. If the old application requires complex build processes or compilation, you will have to use multi-stage builds. After you have the Docker file ready, it's time to build the image of your application. Start by placing the Docker file in the root directory of your application code. To build the Docker image, run the docker build your appname dockerfile path command. That will assign a name to your image and indicate the folder where you've saved the Docker file. To test if the application is working, you have to run the container using the docker run dname your container name your appname command. If something is wrong, you might want to run the docker logs your container name command to check the logs and troubleshoot any problems. Of course, you have to replace your app name and your container name with the actual names in the Docker commands. You may usually face issues with missing dependencies or configuration errors due to improperly set environmental variables. Also, make sure that you have the proper file permissions.